Before we build anything, we need to think differently about making money online. Most people either chase unrealistic promises or become overwhelmed by complicated advice. This book is different. The Architecture of Wealth is a practical blueprint designed to help ordinary people build real online income, step by step, even if they're starting from zero. Just like construction, you cannot build the roof before the foundation. That's why part 1 is called The Specialist. Learn the materials. This section focuses on simple, accessible opportunities that help you understand how the digital economy works, earn your first online income, build confidence, and prepare for bigger opportunities later. And in this first video, we begin with one of the most beginner-friendly entry points into the online world: online surveys and chat support. The entry-level bridge, your first digital dollar. This is not about getting rich from surveys. It's about learning how online platforms operate, understanding customer behavior, developing digital work habits, and proving to yourself that the internet can generate real income. Sometimes the smallest opportunities become the starting point for much bigger systems. So let's begin building.
Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you've been trying to figure out how to make money online, and you're just feeling completely overwhelmed by the sheer amount of fantasy, the fake lifestyles, or the heavy technical friction out there, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, I want you to think of me as your lead architect. My goal? To mentor you through a structured, step-by-step blueprint to earn your very first digital dollars. We are not going to sit here and talk about dream lifestyles without a solid map to actually get there. And we're definitely not getting bogged down in complicated technical jargon. Instead, we're going to start right at the ground floor, building real income using skills you can literally learn in a matter of days. So let's dive right into this. Now, to succeed here, we really need an immediate shift in perspective. You've got to stop thinking like a standard task worker, someone just trading their time for a few pennies, and you need to start thinking like a master builder. See, a master builder carefully examines their raw materials. When you're doing basic online work, you aren't just blindly clicking buttons. You are actually being paid to sit on the front line of a business. You're getting an inside look at exactly what people buy, why they get frustrated, and precisely how companies solve those problems. Basically, you're getting paid to gather the intelligence you'll need to build your own bigger systems later on.
Here is our master blueprint syllabus for today. We'll kick things off with the master builder's mindset, then move into gathering your raw materials. After that, we'll open up the builder's digital toolkit, walk through the 4-step bridge strategy, and finally, we'll cover graduating to full architect.
All right, part 1, the master builder's mindset. Let's get to work on that ground floor.
As any good builder knows, before you can put a roof on a house, you absolutely have to master the ground floor. And honestly, the beautiful thing about this foundational phase is the barrier to entry: zero. Zero startup capital required, zero previous experience needed, no rich uncle required to bankroll you. Most people get completely stuck at this zero barrier entry point because they treat it as a dead end. But an architect sees this as the perfect risk-free training ground. You can start this today, and you can see real results this week without spending a single dime of your own money to begin.
Let's look at the crucial shift in perspective that separates the people who stay stuck from the ones who actually scale. The standard worker logs in, sighs, and asks, "Man, how many mind-numbing surveys do I have to click through just to make my next $10? But the architect? They look at the exact same screen and ask, "What do these specific questions tell me about what the market is desperate to buy next?" It's a profound difference. You're transforming low-paid grunt work into highly paid market research. Big companies spend millions figuring out what consumers want, and you are literally getting paid to learn exactly what those companies are investigating.
Moving on to part 2, gathering your raw materials. Let's find your core income streams.
Okay, let's break down your 2 most reliable entry-level income streams. On one side, you've got professional chat support. Modern businesses are rapidly ditching phone calls for asynchronous chat, and they desperately need real humans to answer those questions. Think of this as your steady base. It pays around $12 to $20 an hour, but the hidden long-term value here is that you're operating inside a real business, watching exactly how it runs. On the other side, we have high-quality market research,
And listen, we are not talking about those scammy 5-cent surveys here. We are talking about direct product feedback, usability testing, and actual interviews. These are your high-value bursts of income, often paying anywhere from $50 to $100 per task. The strategy? You combine the steady, reliable base of chat support with those high-value bursts of research to build a rock-solid income foundation. So, what's the goal? Our daily target at this ground floor stage is $100 a day. It's a bold target, for sure, but it's highly achievable. And hitting it does something incredibly important for your brain. It proves, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that the internet pays real money. Once you start hitting that $100 mark consistently, all that skepticism you've been holding on to, it entirely vanishes. You finally have tangible, undeniable proof that your digital skills have true value.
Next up is Part 3, the Builder's Digital Toolkit. Let's talk about leveraging efficiency.
Because here is the harsh reality. To consistently hit that $100 target, brute force simply isn't going to cut it. You can't just click faster. You need to know where to go. So let's look at the specific platforms where you can gather these materials and lock in the highest paying tasks. For your chat support, you want to be hunting on legitimate job boards, places like Remotive, We Work Remotely, or even specific agencies like Cloudworkers. Now, for the high-quality surveys and usability testing, your absolute go-to platforms are Prolific, User Testing, and Respondent.io. I can't stress this enough. These aren't those awful ad-filled survey sites. These are vetted, highly professional environments where serious brands go for real data and support. This is exactly where you want to set up shop.
Now, to really multiply your output and gain a massive advantage, you must use your AI edge. First up, text expanders. If you're working chat support, you can create keyboard snippets for common repetitive answers. This means you can drop a full, warm, incredibly detailed greeting into a chat with literally 2 keystrokes. Boom, done. This drastically cuts down your handling time, which naturally increases your hourly earnings. Then, you couple that speed with an AI tool like Grammarly to make sure every single interaction is perfectly professional and completely error-free. Better communication naturally leads to higher customer ratings, and those high ratings, they are the direct key to securing higher paying shifts and premium tasks. It's all about working smarter, not just harder.
All right, Part 4, the 4-step bridge strategy. It's time to execute the plan and start scaling. I want to walk you through this exact progression. Step 1, build a detailed business profile. When you're signing up on these platforms we just talked about, whatever you do, do not skimp on the details. Treat it exactly like a high-paying job application. Because the more industries, software tools, and unique interests you list, the higher paying the tasks you're going to be matched with. Step 2 is prioritizing usability testing. Step 3 is tracking the patterns. And Step 4 is setting your hard exit goal. Let's expand on Step 2 for a second, because prioritizing platforms like user testing is absolutely crucial. Why? Simple. They pay significantly better. They aren't just asking you to mindlessly check a box. They want you to think out loud while you're navigating a new website or testing an app. They require your human brain, your actual voice, and your specific nuanced judgment. Listen, AI and machines simply cannot replicate this kind of human usability feedback yet. You command a massive premium on these sites precisely because you are providing genuine, invaluable human friction points to designers and developers. Which leads us directly into Step 3, tracking the patterns. As you're sitting there on the front lines doing the work, I want you to always have a notepad open. Remember, you're on a reconnaissance mission looking for market gaps. Notice recurring customer complaints? Well, those equal product ideas. Spot confusing software interfaces? That's a technical support niche waiting to be filled. See a bunch of unanswered questions? Those are the outlines for future digital courses. You're actively searching for the exact problems that your future business is going to solve. Finally, Part 5. Graduating to full architect, knowing exactly when to leave the ground floor behind. You absolutely must set a hard financial exit goal. That's Step 4 of our bridge strategy. Whether it means you grind away until you make $200 just to pay for your own website hosting and some software tools, or maybe you set $500 as a psychological milestone to prove you're capable of earning digitally, it doesn't matter what the specific number is. What matters is that you set it, you hit it, and then you move on. Do not get trapped forever in the comfort zone of doing easy entry-level work. Let me give you the ultimate reality check right here, summarized perfectly in this quote. Use this floor as a launch pad, not a living room. Taking online surveys and doing entry-level chat support is not going to make you rich. And honestly, they aren't designed to.
They're designed to fund your first real digital tools, to train your eye to spot those lucrative market gaps we talked about, and to prove to yourself that the internet economy is 100% real. You gather the raw materials, you learn the ropes, and then you launch. So, I want to leave you with this provocative challenge. You now have the exact blueprint to secure your first digital dollars. You know how to build the ground floor with zero capital, and you know how to scale your time using AI tools. The bridge to building bigger systems is laid out right in front of you. The only question left is, once you cross that bridge, what will your empire look like? Take these raw materials, start building your foundation today, and I'll see you in the next explainer.
Just completed the first foundation layer in the architecture of wealth. And hopefully you now understand something important. Every digital empire starts with a first digital dollar. In the next video, we move deeper into part 1 and explore ideas 2 to 7, including content writing, blogging, virtual assistant services, content creation and podcasting, online coaching, digital products. These are the ideas that begin transforming skills into scalable income. If you want the full blueprint behind all 21 ideas, including tools, platforms, AI support, and practical strategies, the book, The Architecture of Wealth, 21 Proven Ways to Make $100 a Day Online. Link in the description. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone building their future online. I'll see you in part 2.